Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna unbox almonds which I ordered from Paytm. You can see here, and it's a very nice packaging from Paytm as you can see here, and it's a 200 gram of a pouch. So let's just cut this box and show you the almonds from Paytm. So from this side we will cut this box, and after cutting this box we got a almond. So it's a very nice packaging as always. Paytm provide us. So here is the box, and under this box we got almonds. Okay, and in this box we got a bill, and here is the nothing in this box. So I will show you the exact price what I paid for this. First of all I will show you the product. So it's a very nice packaging. You can see here the air bubble is very well, and here is there is no damage mentioned in this box. So from this side we will cut this air bubbles, and after cutting this we got you can see here signature almonds. It's a California almonds, and here is the mentioned in this box. You can see here some nutrition chart is here, and I will show you the exact price what I paid for this. So here is the price mentioned. I will show you. Okay, here is the price mentioned, and the price is 349 Indian rupees, but I will show you the what price I paid for this. Here is the 349 Indian rupees, but I applied a promo code of a Paytm which is a 200 rupees of a discount. It's a once a month apply promo code. Here is the 200 discount in this product. So I will the effective price is 149 Indian rupees. So it's a 200 of a gram of a pouch, and it's looking very nice, and it's a very nice. So if you want to buy this product, I will give the separate link in the description below. You can buy it from Paytm as always, as Amazon and Flipkart also provide this product. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.